What's going on, guys? So today I'm just sharing another trade that I did with someone, a gentleman named Dan. He was interested in some nice rare cigars, which I'm offering him, and he just sent this package, which has some extra stuff here, so it's kind of a yabo as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and share that with you. So it says, hey Jeff, glad we did a trade for the cigars. Here's an extra knife and some dice and cards from the casino that I do security at. Hope you and your wife and Gus have a great one, and thanks again. Thank you very much, Dan. Appreciate that a great deal. So real quick before I show you this stuff, I'm not going to show you all the cigars, kind of a surprise, but the big one that he was looking for was this Shock and Awe Barracks Buster. And I don't know if you guys can tell, if you smoke cigars, you can see how absolutely ridiculous this thing is. I actually have a review on this cigar, one of the biggest ring gauges that I've ever had. In fact, this might be the fattest cigar I've ever had. Certainly not the biggest, but definitely the fattest. It is crazy. A very unique experience. This one is aged a few years and still in perfect condition, so I'm sure he'll enjoy that. And a couple more very sought after sticks. But in return, he sent me this stuff. The trade was actually for this Brous blades. You guys are gonna recognize this as soon as we open it. All right, but this is the Specter. Okay, see a little card here, came with it. All right, this is number 145 out of 500. All right, D2, very cool EDC knife. All right, and that's exactly what I'm gonna use this one for, is for some EDC work. But very nice. Jason does some really cool stuff, but very much appreciate that. And this was a total surprise. He threw me a little NRA knife, which is very cool. Don't tread on me. Wouldn't think of it, but I like that. That's an awesome little pocket knife. Of course, sticker with the Brous blades, and because he does security at a casino, this is a really nice surprise. I love dice, you guys know that. I collect dice. I don't have like a massive collection or anything, but I really do appreciate it. You can see these say Paradise, all right, Paradise I should say, from Illinois. All right, and then 2 decks of cards. If you guys haven't seen these before, casino cards, these are actual cards that are used at the tables in casinos, and then they drill them when they're done so they can't be reused. All right, obviously to prevent cheating or anything like that. But very, very cool. Do greatly appreciate that. It says a special scanning code is another example of the United States Playing Card Company's quality and security control procedures, and so forth. So these are the large print actual cards you would use, at the different gambling tables and stuff. All right, very cool. Again, there's the casino Paradise. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Really do appreciate the trade, and I know you're definitely going to enjoy the new cigars. So just throwing it out there, I do tons of trades. More times than not, it's a knife for a knife or multiple knives for a knife, depending on value and stuff. But I trade for all kinds of stuff. I do silver trading, in this case, cigar trading. I mean, God, I've traded for video games. I mean, you name it. I'm open to all kinds of stuff when it comes to trading. But generally speaking, I do focus on knives just because it gives me more stuff to do reviews on. So thanks for watching, guys. Down in the comment section, tell me your weirdest trade, your most random trade. What'd you trade for? It doesn't have to be with an internet stranger. It could be with a family member. It could be with a sibling. We all do all kinds of trading. Maybe you don't even remember. Maybe it was when you were younger. Maybe you traded, I don't know, a pack of playing cards for a bicycle. Who knows? I'll tell you right off the bat, I've told this story before, but I'll say it again for people who are new to the channel. But one of the strangest trades I ever made was when I was about 15, maybe 16 or so. I traded a bag of weed to my friend Chris for a case Mako Lockback knife that he found out in the woods. We were out, screwing around, blowing up fireworks, whatever we were doing, and he found this knife on the ground, and I wanted it bad. And he did not want to give it up, but I had a bag of weed, he had the knife, and needless to say, that weed's way long gone, but I still have that knife. It means a lot to me. I've actually carried that a lot back when I was younger. In fact, let me go grab it for you. I'll show it to you right now. Hang on a second. All right, so that took about 20 minutes to dig up, but here it is, my case Mako from my childhood. This is one of a handful of knives that I have that have so much sentimental value to me. But yeah, little bag of weed. Like I said, long gone. That was smoked about 20 years ago. And, well, maybe not 20 years. Yeah, about 20 years ago, something like that. And this knife is still with us today, though. So that's pretty nice. So, very awesome knife, by the way. In case you're ever interested in some good lockbacks besides the Buck 110. The case Mako, in fact, all the case lockbacks are really good, but the Mako's been one of my favorites. But anyway, that is it for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Again, write down your weird trades down in the comment section. I'd love to read it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Take care.